If you want to set up a VPN on the Google Pixel 11, we have two main methods that allow you to use a VPN on your Google Pixel 11. So the first thing that you can do is you can go to Settings. Over here, choose Network and Internet, and then you can find the VPN option in here. And most likely you will find a VPN by Google in here, which of course you can use straight away. If you go here, you should be able to tap on Use VPN at the bottom, and then you can easily connect to the VPN network that is of course provided and built in. And besides that, if you have all the necessary information to create your own VPN profile, then you can use this plus button in the upper right corner. So in here you can set up your own VPN connection, and then of course you can save it to connect to the VPN connection or VPN server. However, of course you need to have all the necessary information to actually be able to do so. So the second method that allows you to use VPN as well is by using a third-party app, which of course we can download, for example, from the Play Store. In here we can just search for VPN, or you can write the name of the VPN app that you're looking for specifically if you have an idea of what you can get. And then in here you can find a bunch of different apps that of course should allow you to connect to a VPN network. Usually you just have to install them. The setup is very simple, and you should be able to start using VPN without any problems whatsoever. Keep in mind that the different VPN apps provide different features. So in some cases, some VPN apps allow you to, for example, choose a specific country that you want to connect to, or that you can connect to. And in some other cases, you will not be able to do so, and the country is going to be picked for you randomly. So you probably want to go through a couple of these different VPN apps in order to find out which one you like the most. I'm not recommending any of them. I mean, I just cannot really recommend any of them because I don't really use VPN by myself. So I cannot really recommend any of these. But if you decide to try them out, one thing that I can recommend you to do is to install one of them, see how they work, and if you like them. If not, uninstall them and then get the other one. You don't really want to try to use multiple different VPNs at the same time, because that's probably not going to work. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.